Hello, how's it going today? This is Lori Sims here on Vancouver Island, and it is a beautiful sunny day. I'm just about to head outside, but I wanted to say hi, and then this is a quick pour that I did last night using my pinks and my purples again, pinks, purples, and blues. So the neon pink and the Tutti Frutti, the Dioxazine purple, Thalo blue, and then my own mix of sky blue, some kind of sky blue. I don't know what it is. But anyway, yeah, so this one is on a round, and oh my gosh, I'm realizing that when I've taped off the rounds, I don't actually have to turn them into clocks. I can just leave that and finish off the back side of them, and they can be beautiful 12-inch round pictures. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I thank you for being here, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down there. I really do. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Over 200 subscribers. I'm so excited. I put out a call last night. Please subscribe. I was one short of 200 and I got like 6 more. So 205. Yay. So excited. Anyway, guys, let's pour some paint. I like this even better than the last one. I've got one little funky spot here, and I'm just going to blow that out right there. And other than that, it might be my favorite one yet. I totally love it. I'm going to let it sit and let these cells develop. You can see they're starting to pop up here and there, and I haven't even torched. And that's just from my cell activator. So, woohoo! Let's, yeah, I'll bring you down for a close-up once it's dry, and you can have a look. Yay! So it's not 100% dry yet, but it is spectacular. Like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. The colors are just really, really cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching today. I really appreciate you stopping by and spending some time with me. And I hope you take care of yourself today. Have a good time. Bye now.